Hello everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and enable sensitive contents right there in your Telegram app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first thing what you're gonna make sure is, even if you go to your app, you will not be able to find that option. For that purpose, you would have to access your phone browser right there. You can go ahead, open any phone browser that is available. Once your browser was open, go ahead, tap on this search bar and type in telegram.web. Go ahead, search it up, tap on the Telegram web. The first option you will get it after you search it up. And now go ahead, enter the number that you have entered while creating an account. Now go ahead, enter the particular code. Once you do that, you will be able to get a logged in on your browser version. Go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line on top left corner, tap on this option called settings right over here, and go ahead and scroll down to find this option called privacy and security. And then if you scroll down, you will find this option called sensitive content and disable filtering right over there. So if you want and now disable all the filtering, you can go ahead, turn this on. I can see it's blue checked over here. If it's unchecked, you can go ahead and check this up, and that means you will be able to now disable the sensitive contents filtering. Once you do that, you're good to go. You will be able to enable all the sensitive contents. So yes guys, this is the way you can do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching our video, and yeah, I will be seeing you guys in our next video. Thank you.